Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Shantanu Srivastav, and in today's video I'm going to show you a JavaScript automation in a custom entity. So let's open our entity which is called sports people, and here we can see that there are some records are there and they all have the birthday field populated and the age field is not populated. So let's create a new record here and give a date of birth 13 September. So as we can see that as soon as user is selecting any date of birth, the automation working on and it's calculating the age and placing it in this field, which is called 17 years and 6 months. So let's save this record and open any record just like this. Doesn't have any age uh, record with it, but date of birth is there. Let's open this record. So here we can see that when we open this record, it is also setting up the age field. So how to configure this type of automation via JavaScript, I'm going to show you in this video. For that, let us start from the scratch. This is my sports people table, and here we can clearly see that these are the records of the sports persons. This is their date of birth, and these columns should be containing the age of the sports person. So let's open one record, and here we can see that this is a read only field and it should contain the age of the sports person. So our business use case is that whenever a new record has been created or any existing record with no age be opened, then code will calculate the age from the date of birth and set that in this age column. So for that we need to write down our JavaScript code, open Visual Studio Code. Here I'm going to write down a new file. So here I'm going to write down my JavaScript code. First, we write down function. Now get the form context from the execution context. Now we retrieve the value of the birth date field from the form, logical name of the date of birth field, open develop, logical name, copy this. Now we need to proceed only if the date of birth field has a value. For example, it's not null. Then get today's date. Now calculate the initial year difference. Now we can calculate month difference also. So I'm going for that. Now we check if current month is before birth month or on the same month, but birth date hasn't occurred yet. Then reduce 1 year and adjust month accordingly. For that, this will reduce the year count as birthday hasn't come yet this year. Now further adjust the month if current day is before the birth date. This will reduce a month since day hasn't occurred yet. And now we'll create a string like 24 years and 7 months like that. Now set this formatted string into the text field. This one. Else. So I think our code is looking fine. We just need to add in a web resource, and we will call this code an on change of DOB field and on load of form also. Copy this. I'm going to show you a new way to add web resource directly. Go to the forms, and here we want to add call our JavaScript on load. So first we need to add a web resource on a form library. Click on add library, add new web resource, choose file directly from here, open this. This is our file. Click, now copy this, save it here, click on add. Now go to the main form, click on event, on load, event handler, function, paste it here, pass execution context as first parameter, click on done. And the second, I want to call my JavaScript on change of this field, click on event here, similar thing, click on done. So now save and publish. Now it's been saved and published. Go back to your CRM, do a hard refresh here. So now as you can see that it's in correct format, 28 years and 8 months. And let's create a new record. Suppose that and city would be, and let's suppose I'm giving the last day. Okay. And here we can see that 0 years and 0 months. And let's change it to, here we can see that. Let's select the same month, 5 years and 0 month. Okay. So I think our script is working fine. So that's it for my video, guys. And if you want to add some more, check here that a person would not select any date of birth which is in the future, then let me know in the comment section. So I would made a video on that. That's it from our video. Thank you for watching.